I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming root access and a working root manager. Without root, you cannot reach the /data folder. Once done, install Zarchiver Pro if available and grant superuser rights when prompted. Make sure to back up any critical files first, because you will view system app data. Next, open Zarchiver and tap the menu to switch to the root file system. This is the first actionable step that moves you from setup to direct access. Once Zarchiver runs with root privileges, navigate to the top-level root / entry and open the data directory. From there, go into /data or /data/data to find package folders. Each folder corresponds to an app. Make sure to use long press gestures to list available actions like extract, copy, or change permissions, and use the internal viewer for quick checks. Be deliberate. Modifying files can break apps, so prefer to finish, copy, or extract target files from /data to a safe location on internal storage before making any edits. Once done, restore original permissions and ownership if you changed them. If Zarchiver shows permission denied, make sure the root manager actually granted rights and that SE Linux isn't enforcing a block. Switching to permissive temporarily or using a DB root can help. If problems persist, try another root-enabled file manager or recheck superuser logs to confirm access was granted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.